Theta's medium-term support generally remained at $92, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $44 to 22,176,000, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization truly is buy and buy esteemed at $281 bears control Theta's kind of current cost activities, which in a real sense shows that the kind of current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $44 to 22,176,000, which for the most part is genuinely critical. 24 Walk 2024 in. This video we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters attempt to answer these regularly most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is by and large transient cost expectation for Theta organization, truly is Theta a sort of wise venture, or so they by and large thought. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Theta specialized examination, by and large let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to turn at 24.99 833 658, which basically is genuinely huge. The extremely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $68 721 671.54 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 184%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $499.63 833 658, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65 694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, exhibiting how 24 Walk 2024. In this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified pressing issues facts. What certainly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, truly is Theta a fundamentally wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value reduction of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time span, which sort of is very critical. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near 37 and presently exchanging at $177.01, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, or so they truly thought. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending course for genuinely present moment, certainly further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65 694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, exhibiting how 24 Walk 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense got clarification on some pressing issues facts, what essentially is truly transient cost expectation for Theta organization, basically is Theta a genuinely wise venture, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a really broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a quite enormous manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a quite enormous way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases explicitly become kind of more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty further appearance how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move sort of dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is very huge. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization Theta basically is at $281, down 237% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 1054% over the course of the week, which in every practical sense shows that Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 44 to 22 176 US, while fundamentally absolute market cap came to $2,812 579 516 USD, essentially further appearance how yet prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Theta specialized examination, truly let us especially discuss the extremely current economic situations, or so they really thought. There fundamentally are very nearly 1 fan DUDs especially are available for use out of 1 billion, which in every practical sense shows that moreover Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 24 walk 2024 inside an everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 44 to 22 176 US, while really complete market cap came to $2,812 579 516 US. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving sort of normal SMA and remarkable moving commonly normal MA to in every way that really matters, dissect the future development of the Theta organization. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 77% in esteem incredibly. The Thetaist moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD marker generally is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment basically sell extremely signal as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath essentially. Signal line, which in every practical sense implies truly bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, which generally shows that Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 24 walk 2024 inside a truly day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 44 to 22 176 US, while in every way that really matters, complete market cap came to $2,812 579 516 US. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination, certainly let us essentially discuss the all things considered, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and especially is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, exhibiting how which certainly brought about